Yeah, we are here in Groton, Massachusetts. We are here in Groton, Massachusetts. Yes, Ugandans all over Massachusetts are dissatisfied with the dictator's ministers coming to seek for a safe haven here in the United States. This is AITV. We are here showing live, coming in live from Groton, Massachusetts, the US. Peace-loving Ugandans are protesting against the coming of Minister Ronald KIBUULE, who had come here to the United States to seek for medical health for the wife. Ugandans are saying enough is enough. So we are airing live here.
That's not right.
As you can see, the weather is not good, but Ugandans are braving the cold to come and protest against what they believe to be injustice, oppression, and corruption of ministers and the regime, the dictatorship in Uganda. Ugandans all over from Massachusetts, Waltham, Bostonians from all different cities are protesting. They are protesting and they are saying that the minister should go away and leave the United States of America. They are saying ministers and government operatives should not oppress people back home in Uganda and seek to come and look for medical aid in the United States of America and in Europe and other countries in the diaspora. I can see a couple of placards with different messages. No one is free when others are oppressed. People before profit. Stop citizens' abductions. This is what Ugandans are saying.
Oh, no. The murderer is here. He's here.
As you can see, Ugandans are dissatisfied with Minister Ronald KIBUULE seeking a safe haven here in the United States of America.
Right here on the street. Stop torturing Ugandans.
Stop torturing Uganda is the message that Ugandans are saying.
And then don't come here to the U.S. to seek refuge when you screwed up the whole healthcare system in Uganda. Then you come here to use our healthcare system. Take your girlfriend back to the healthcare system that you destroyed and let her get treatment there. Yes. Don't come here playing foolishness. Yes. You eat what you serve. Yes. Nonsense. Yes.
Send the devil back home.
Send the devil back home.
Send the devil back home. Send the devil back home. Send the devil back home. Send the devil back home.
Send the devil back home. Send the devil back home. Send the devil back home. Send the devil back home. Send the devil back home. Send the devil back home. Send the devil back home. Send the devil back home. Send the devil back home. Send the devil back home. KIBUULE must go. KIBUULE must go. KIBUULE must go. KIBUULE must go. KIBUULE must go.
This is what Ugandans are saying. They are shouting that KIBUULE must go. KIBUULE is the minister who had recently come to the United States of America to seek for medical aid for the family and for the wife. Ugandans are saying enough is enough.
Show them this one. The people who are coming, show them this one.
Okay, as you can all see here, this is the man, this is the man, this is the minister who had come, who has been involved in different atrocities and oppression in Uganda. And here he comes to the United States of America to seek, using Ugandans' taxpayers' money, to come and seek for medical aid for their wife. And as you can see there up in that hill is where they have been hiding, and Ugandans are protesting here and saying, this nonsense must stop. That's what the message, that's the message they are passing on.
People power, our power. The dictator must go.
Here is the message. As you can all see, no one is free when others are oppressed. These are the placards that Ugandans, women, people, power women, National Unity Platform ladies are saying.